Jeez. Dwayne must have put this one in himself. Recently, Finding Studios did a collaboration with Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's brand, Papatui, and they sent us a care package, and we're gonna go through and test some of these products, and I'm gonna tell you what I think about it. Let's see, oh wow. It's got a cool QR code. Let's see where it takes us.
DJ here, also known as The Rock, also known as La Rocca, the people's champion, and the founder of Papatui.
Let's pull some of these out and see where we're at. So we'll start with this, the Enhancing Bar Soap. And what's crazy is I can already smell it. Oh yeah, this is awesome. It says it has vitamin B3 in it, infused with mango butter, avocado oil. Yeah, this is amazing. And this is the Lush Coconut scent. So they have 3 different scents, and they are the Cedar Sport, the Sandalwood Sway, and the Lush Coconut. This is the Sandalwood Sway. This is definitely more like woodsy, more earthy. Let's check this one out. Yeah, this is also deodorant, but I believe there's 2, yep. So yeah, what's good about them is you can see the difference. This is the gel, and this is more like the dry rub. So the next one, moving right along here, this is the 2-in-1 shampoo conditioner. So let's see what it smells like. Take that off. Oh wow, yeah, let me see, I'm gonna take it off completely, here we go. Oh yeah, this smells good. This is what I tell anybody. It doesn't take but just a couple minutes to take care of yourself and use some of this stuff and smell good. You know, that's where you get that confidence and stuff like that. You know, that's why people wear cologne and all this stuff. It makes you feel good. When somebody says you smell good, it's a compliment. What I like about this is the fragrance so far seemed to be consistent all the way through with a really good smell. This here is the body wash. Oh wow, oh wow. Yeah, that smells really good. Yeah, I would definitely want to try this. It seems pretty like creamy inside of it, so it seems like it'll probably suds up really good. Okay, so now that we've got all the hair and body care out of the way, let's go ahead and move into the facial care. To start with, we have the facial cleaner. Yeah, not much of a smell on this. Oh, well, there you go. It says fragrance free. Let's see if I can get a little bit of this here. Oh wow, okay. This is cool and smooth. It's already sudsing up in my hand without even the water. All right, so let's go to the facial toner. Jeez. Dwayne must have put this one in himself. This one is also fragrance free, and this is the rejuvenating toner. So again, I gotta smell it because I just wanna see. Okay, all right, this is a lot more liquidy. Wow, now that my face is clean, like the way that this feels like it goes on is really cool. So what this says that it does is it's for daily use, and it's for tightening pores, and it also exfoliates and hydrates as well. You know, the tightening the pores is like, that's kind of what gets rid of the wrinkles and stuff like that. Okay, next we have the facial moisturizer. So you know what's good about this, that it's fragrance free, is that they have the body and the hair care with the scents. You get your scent here with your cleaning, and then everything else that you're using for hydrating or for tightening pores or any of that, you don't get another smell on top of it. You just get the benefit of it. All right, so let's try this. There we go. Oh wow, yeah. I don't know if you guys get facials or not. This is like a whole home spa care cleaning and grooming and facial kit. That's what this feels like to me with everything that's on here. This is the one that I really want to try right here. This is the Awakening Eye Gel. All the packaging is super cool. It's really informative. Tells you everything that you need to know. All the ingredients are listed. All right, let's see this. This is a cool little sleek. That's a sleek looking thing right there. You just put that in your pocket when you need it. So there's like a little ball on here. Okay. Oh wow. Now this is silky, silky smooth. So I'm assuming that you rub it. Okay, yeah, you can feel it. I don't know if I'm supposed to rub that in or not, but let's go ahead and try it a little bit. I'm just gonna say it again. This is like having a mini spa of all the cares for men right here in a box, and this is all sold at Target. It's a good brand. The products are good, and you know, I don't understand why somebody would not use this. I'm giving it away for gifts and things like that right now because I'm so behind the brand. Okay, so for me, this is my favorite part. As a CEO and an entrepreneur in the tattoo industry, this is what I want to talk to you and tell you about. Their tattoo enhancement care. This is a stick that they have. You can tell that whoever designed this really thought about people with tattoos. So here's what I mean. So I want to show you the difference in both, okay? So I'm gonna unpack this. Let's pull that off. There we go. You would rub your fingers, and maybe if it's for bigger parts of the body, that's how you would put this on. And that's exactly what it would be used for. But look at this. This is one that if you notice, it has, so I'm gonna do it right here. Look, it has where you don't have to put your hands on yourself if you don't want to. Now I'm going to because I want to personally feel what it feels like. Oh, wow. I could see that, how it already made it more shiny. The color looks brighter. What I like about it is it's not greasy. Right off the bat, it's not greasy. You can see the difference in how this looks compared to this. So I'm gonna put some on here too. And let's just see what it looks like. Same thing, you can now see how it does that. You know, so I think this is maybe for the big rub, like if you had a chest piece or leg pieces, whatever. And then this is for some of those smaller pieces that you can just rub right on. Also, it seems like it might be good for traveling, this one here. Now this is your tattoos healed. This is just your day-to-day routine. All of these products are for your day-to-day routine, which is what I love about them. So your tattoos are already healed, okay? They're taken care of. And this right here, you rub on it and it just enhances it every single day. This is something that most people forget about using on a day-to-day basis. I mean, you pay thousands of dollars, at least I did for some of my artwork, and this right here is something that enhances it, makes it look good, it hydrates my skin. Why would I not use this? So again, this is my favorite product of all of it. We all know why. I'm a tattoo guy. It's the one that I use every single day. It's the one that led me to the full care of the Papatui skincare and hair care product. And again, I'm gonna say it one last time. These products, all of these products, guys, to me, this is like having a spa in your house that you can use, from the soaps that you use, the facial creams, the skin cares that they have, the hair and body washes that they use. Love this one here. I can feel the difference already when I use that one. So I've tested out all the products. I've given you guys a little bit of the review. I just want to say thank you so much for Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson and the Papatui team for sending it. Don't forget about it. You can pick it up at Target. The price point is amazing as well. And again, it's luxury, scents, smells, body care, body wash, hair, and then facial. So again, I just want to say thank you guys so much for sending it to me. I really, really appreciate it, and it will be well used and deserved.